Hello everybody, what do we have here today in my garage? An incredible piece of equipment here. Yep, just look at that. Yeah, forest land, man, that's incredible. Whoa, whoops, what's that? Oh, thank God. I thought that, if it had the connection here, that would be total garbage, but today it might be saved. So yeah, that's like an old kid's electric car. It has like 12-volt system here. So of course battery is long gone here. It sat in the basement for a very long time, and it already like served his job. It's butchered. No switches here, just hanging wires. But I was interested. Can I save it? Who knows? First things first, I guess we need to to see if the wheels can spin, like if we put some juice in it. So let's try. Okay, baby. Yep, some wires, and these are going to the motor. We go here, here, and to here. So yep, we need to feed some power in here. Okay, people, stand back. Clear. Woohoo! Reverse. Yeah, we'll go back. Awesome. It works. So the day saved, it's working. Yeah, fine. So I have some plans in my head what to do with, because it's quarantine, I can't buy any switches. So I will make myself some switches. All right. Another thing we need to find out which cables are from the pedal. Okay, so that should be the next thing. Let's try to unscrew this and that. Who knows why is this here? Let's go right into plastic. It's not like earthing or whatever. Okay, so pedal switches here, and we have like 2 yellow wires going here into this string tube here and here. One goes to this one goes to that one. Alright, I know where my pedal cables are. Alright, so let's jump into the next part of the job. Okay, let's disassemble this hood here. So headlights are out and the hood is out. Okay. Oh, let's leave these here. I like it. Whoop. Oh yeah, baby. That's a beast. Let's feed those old batteries here. Okay. Let's check. Maybe they have some voltage. Oh yeah, 2.8 volts. Healthy enough to run my clock. This is, I guess, the remote control, steering wheel. Okay, don't need that. Garbage. So this plastic scrap is going to be a base of my switch. You will see. The switching plate is gonna be in here, where it intended to be. Just need to make a little hole here and get forward, reverse, forward, reverse. Would you look at that? Awesome stuff. Connection here, connection there. Connection there, reverse, forward. I made it from plastic, some dead tree, another plastic, and you know, some metal. So we should wire this up, make some upgrades to this concept of proof. There was a switch on the car, so I'm gonna use that for headlights. I hope they work. We need to check that out and put it somewhere here in the dashboard. Woo. Watch where you're going, you punk! Should remove unnecessary wiring. Why should I keep that? Okay. Now it's even less wiring when it came from the factory. Of course, we don't have any some features that it came before. We don't have like low speed, high speed. We just have reverse, forward, and light switch here, and yeah, basic. But of course, we just wanted that it ran. That's it. So, yep. The wiring is a little bit sketchy, but I will cover this, and you know, this wire goes to the motor, and this like crossing makes like a car move like in reverse, and this side to the forward, and yeah, we have like these terminals here for a motor, and those plates are the one that goes from the pedal. One of them goes from the pedal, and one goes from the battery and feeds the motor. So, yep, these are like regulating plates for contact, for making contact, and yeah, removed all the wires. We still have like a fuse for positive side, and yep, that's the wiring for headlamps. That's it. Cool knob. We need a power, so now it's quarantine, no shops are working. We won't get these small 6-volt batteries, but we have like an extra normal batteries for a starter battery, like for cars. It's not AGM, but it's already garbage, so I will use that. So juice the system, and now let's press the pedal. Yeah, power. Reverse. Awesome. Also headlamps. Yeah. Good. Also made this, you know, hook thing that was for the bonnet or headlamps to go down. It's easier to put the battery in. And as you know, there's a hype in these days that, you know, if you have like electric car, you brag about it. Well, I don't. In the reverse way, we feel like we have like petrol engine inside. So if you're doing kind of stuff, be aware that it's not safe for kids making these kind of projects. But my kid is old enough, and also will be with my supervision, so just keep that in mind. Also, I did these, you know, safety precautions here. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Look at him cooking. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.